So you want to know how to make money online from South Africa. And I don't blame you for clicking on this video because I truly believe this is the best opportunity in the world right now. And like, not even kidding, is the ability to earn in dollars and spend in rand. We live in the best country that I believe in this world. I've been to a couple countries like Dubai, Bali, Greece, Thailand. I've been through, to a couple places. I want to travel a bit more of Europe. I haven't been to America actually. Definitely to visit. But South Africa is just like, everyone just comes back to South Africa. It's insane. But if you're earning in the local currency, you are absolutely cooked. Like if you're earning in rand, it's just, you can't live a good life. You can't experience everything South Africa and this country has to offer. All right. And that is basically how the world works. Like if you have a lot of money in this world, you can just live the best life. So, I applaud you for clicking on this video and trying to educate yourself. I know there's always going to be some people commenting on my videos like, oh, this guy just like does this and, doesn't approve of what I do, whatever. But I just want to help those people who are trying to make money online, especially in South Africa. That's what my videos are catered towards. That's where I started my YouTube channel. Like I documented everything from the start. So people can say all these things, but I literally documented from zero. I was making no money in my parents' bedroom, or in my bedroom, my parents' house. No money, just a big dream, and I just achieve every single goal. Like people, it just becomes irrefutable at this stage. Everything I say just comes to fruition. Anyway, that's my intro out of the way. So there's a couple of ways you can make money online, okay? So I don't have a script, if you haven't noticed. Like I just go off the dome. That's usually when I'm just like, ideas are just spitting. I've got my caffeine in here, like, we're going, we're live. So there's drop shipping. I've tried that. And, there's pros and cons with each of these things. I actually got a video you can check out in the link of the description. It's a video. The text before the video, there's a couple links in the description. So the text before the video is sign your next 5 high-ticket clients, something like that. It's the schoolofathens.com. You can just go to that website as well. You can watch that 5-minute video. It breaks down every single business model, like Forex trading, drop shipping, crypto, Instagram theme pages, affiliate marketing. I think there's a couple ones extra, or I just added a few extra ones, but you can just click that link, watch the video. It's a 5-minute breakdown of every single business model and why I believe the one that I chose is the best one to make money online. So it's essentially an agency. It's a service-based business where you sell services to specifically US clients. Okay, this is the best one. So after watching that video, or just watch, continue watching this video, and at the end you can watch that video. So essentially in that video I explain why the agency is the best business model, because you can go to US business owners, charge in dollars, and then obviously spend in rand. So you can offer a ton of services. You can offer lead generation, where you help them with maybe their email campaigns. You can help them build out funnels. You can help them with YouTube editing, short form content, paid ads. AI automations is booming right now. We've got a couple students in Founders Acquisition doing AI automations, AI dialers, just implementing AI solutions for US business owners. And the cool thing is, you can literally do the exact same service, okay, that you would do to South African business owners, but you're doing it to the US, and you can charge 18 times more. You can literally make 18 times more money while living in South Africa. It's the ultimate cheat code. I don't know why people aren't doing this. I think the number one reason is people aren't aware of this opportunity. So that's why I'm posting these videos, is to just make people aware of this opportunity. It's absolutely insane. And I feel like we are at the stage in South African business where everyone now is kind of catching on to this idea that you can make money online, right? And I want to kind of be at the forefront of that, to teach people the best way to make money online. And, here's the thing as well, like every single business model works, right? There's millionaires doing drop shipping. There's millionaire Forex traders. There's millionaires with faceless YouTube channels. Like there's millionaires in every single business opportunity, but there's one caveat to this. There's just a couple business models that is the best one to start when you're a beginner, right? Like every single of these successful business owners, I can tell you right now, there's even an example that comes to mind. There's like so many birds just flying outside. I don't know what's going on. What's his name? His name is not Andrew Garfield. That's Spider-Man. He wrote the book called Never Enough. Let me just check. Never Enough author. It's Andrew something. Oh my word, there's 2 Never Enough books. Wait. Andrew, let me just get his name. Andrew Wilkinson. Okay, that's his name. He's a billionaire right now. I think, well, he's worth like 300 million or something like that. He was a billionaire, but he makes a lot of money. Let's just say that. And he started with an agency. So he also started with an agency selling websites to, US clients. That's how he made his money. And then after that, there's different business models you can pursue. But the best business model to make 10, 20, $30,000 a month, the quickest way possible is an agency. Without a doubt. Like, but after that, it becomes much harder to scale. Like the business model that gets you to $100,000, like, in total revenue or whatever, is completely different to the one that will get you to 10 million or $100 million. Like it's different business models. But for example, you can't do what I'm doing right now. Like I'm obviously selling a program and a community and education product, right? You can't do that if you haven't if you haven't showed any form of results, right? Like the only reason people follow my teachings is because I've achieved some decent results with an agency. Okay, I've been able to travel and achieve financial freedom with my agency. So there's a reason people can listen to me. But if you haven't built any sort of authority in the marketplace with your business model, you can't teach people how to do it. Okay, there's nothing wrong with teaching it, but you have to first get results with your current business model, and then you can teach it. And then people are hating so much on like people who sell programs, but it's just another business model. For example, everything really comes down to education. Like, why aren't you hating on Robert Kiyosaki? Like, why aren't you hating? I mean, some people do. He's selling education. He's selling a book. Maybe it's just a lot cheaper, okay? But like that's also, you don't really get that much value from it. Obviously, you get a lot of knowledge, but you don't really build a business from it. That's why obviously programs are a bit more expensive, but you get a better result out of it. So all these authors are selling info products, education products, all of them, okay? It's all education, like even mentorship coaching, I'm constantly investing in that as well. It's all education because it's just a knowledge gap that is keeping you stuck. It's what you don't know. And, the best way to do that is just to, give money to people who know what you know, and so they can give you the knowledge because, obviously my time is not free. So, you have to pay me so I can give you knowledge and education. But here I'm doing it on the YouTube video for free. So that's how I'm kind of building up this reciprocity where in the future you feel like you kind of have to do something back to me. It's just human nature. Okay. That's why every single content creator is posting videos online. It's to give you value and then you feel like you need to give something back. Like that's the law of reciprocity. Okay. If you haven't noticed that. But back to the actual premise of the video. First off, it is possible. It is 100% possible. But there's not a lot of people actually doing this. Like I know a couple of people in Cape Town. I'm in a lot of networking groups and such. And there's actually not a lot of people who are successful in the online business space. So there's a massive gap, especially in Cape Town and South Africa, Like, I don't know. I think there's like, we've got a couple of people from Pretoria in our community as well. And, it's just like 100 people or 50 people doing anything in the online space. So there's a massive gap. And obviously, if you can just build up your service and then sell that to US clients, like you are absolutely set, right? Like you can charge $5,000 up front. That's already 100,000 Rand or something, like 85,000 Rand. It's way more than you're getting from a 4-year degree where you're just making like 20,000 Rand a month. Okay. So, and then you're not even in debt because you didn't pay for like some college tuition or something. So this is a bit of a shorter one, all right? Because I've got a boxing class, shortly, and I need to get ready for that. But this is honestly the best way to make money online. And from there, once you've started the agency, I would then recommend some form of a digital product because that's way more scalable, okay? But to do that, you also need to build like a personal brand, which is exactly what I'm doing. That's why I've been doing this for like 2.5 years, posting YouTube videos online, because I knew in the future I was going to sell some form of a scalable product, digitally, physically, and physical products. That is what that is. And personal brand is just the best asset you can build for selling anything. It's your number one asset is personal branding. And I see a lot of people investing in assets like the S&P 500 and stocks and stuff like that with like 500 Rand a month. Like, what are you doing? You're not going to be a millionaire from that. The best way to make money as quickly as possible and to achieve millionaire status as quickly as possible is to take all of your savings, all of your money, literally all that savings you have in your bank account right now, like that 10,000, 20,000 Rand, all of that, right? You're putting in the S&P 500, complete bullshit. Don't do that. I know you're thinking, oh no, like, I'm saving, I need an emergency fund. That's complete bullshit. Like, I know exactly what you're thinking. You're like, oh no, but I need this money because like, no, you need to spend all of that money, literally every single cent, right? To increase your skill sets so you can make more money per month. At the moment, you're making like 20,000 Rand a month, and you're thinking, oh, if I invest 1,000 Rand a month in the S&P 500, I'm going to be rich by the time I'm 60. Like, do you want to be a millionaire when you're 60 or 25? Like, choose one. You can't have both, okay? Well, you can have both. If you're rich at 25, you're probably going to be rich at 60 as well. But take all of that money, every single cent in your savings, in your S&P 500. I don't care if it takes time and you're going to lose some transaction fees. Don't care about that. That's a broken mindset. Take all of that money, spend it on mentorship, spend it on coaching. Not every single one is going to work that well, but one is going to work well, and you're going to quadruple your income and make like millions. That's exactly what happened to me. I spent all of my savings on a program, and in 6 months, from zero, I literally had no clients with my agency, nothing. Joined a program. 6 months later, I was making 400,000 Rand a month. 400,000. Are you working a job and making that type of money? No way. It's impossible. But the only reason I was able to do that is because, number one, I didn't have responsibilities. I don't have a wife and kids and all that. I was still staying literally at my parents' in my bedroom making 400,000 Rand a month. Are you kidding me? But the only reason I was able to achieve that is not because I saved all that money and put it in the S&P 500, 500 Rand a month. Like, are you kidding me? I took all of that money, everything, like, hopefully this message is becoming a bit irritating because I see a lot of people playing it safe when you're early 20s. What are you doing? Take all of that money, invest it in a program. It is going to feel scary. That's exactly the point. And then you can increase your skill set so you can make more money per month, $20,000, $30,000 per month, 500,000 Rand a month. And then you can put 200,000 Rand a month or 100,000 Rand a month in the S&P 500 if you really want to do so. But I want to play even bigger games. So I'm taking the 500,000 Rand I just made and putting it back into mentorship because I love taking risks and I know I'm going to succeed either way. I don't care. I just want to make even more money. Now our goal is 4 million Rand a month. And then I'm probably going to take that and put it in another mentorship. But by that stage, when I'm making $100,000 a month in profit, that's around 2 million Rand a month in profit. Are you going to make 2 million Rand a month in profit working a job? No way, bro. No way. The only way to do that is to start a business. And the best business to start is an agency. I've done so much research on this stuff. Like I live and breathe business and studying the most successful people and books and podcasts. I'm constantly learning. Take my word when I say this. This is literally my job and my life. Literally, I'm obsessed with this stuff. Take all of your money, invest in a program. Like, you don't have to do this, by the way, but if you want to make a lot of money and you want to live an abundant life, time freedom, financial freedom, like, I can literally do whatever I want. Money is not a problem. I can do whatever I want. I don't even have to film this video, but I just love working. It's the choice that gives me that freedom. Okay. Take the money, invest in a program, make more money, and then you can constantly reinvest if you want to make more. So our goal, $100,000 a month in profit. That's like around 2 million Rand a month in profit. You can do a lot with that. And then I'm going to invest like 1 million Rand a month in long-term investments. But just see the contrast here. I can now invest 1 million Rand a month in the S&P 500, where you are investing 1,000, 2,000 Rand a month in your S&P 500. Who do you think is going to make more money in the long term? It's going to take you probably not even in your lifetime. So you want to take all of that money that you currently have, all that 20,000 Rand in savings, which is literally nothing. It's $1,000. It's nothing. It's zero. And then take all that money, invest in programs. And I'm not saying this stuff because I have one. I'm saying this stuff because it works. It worked for me. That's also why I have one. It's because we were trying to help other people do the same. Does that make sense? It worked for me, and I'm constantly still doing it because I want to increase my income. Online business is the only way. I'm not saying this is easy, right? It's not easy. It's actually extremely hard. It's probably the hardest thing you'll ever do. But I don't know if you're like me, you can't do anything else. I would spiritually be dead if I were to do anything else. So I might as well die. Okay. So it's literally, I succeed with this business or I die spiritually, and then I might as well be dead. So, so it's literally like that. I just can't do anything else. And if you resonate with that, then this is the only path you can take. It's the only one. Because if you take the comfortable path, maybe 9-to-5 job, nothing wrong with that. But if you want to achieve bigger things, bigger goals, you just see it as a stepping stone, okay? So you can save up more money, invest in a program, build up your agency, make more money per month, leave your job, and reinvest that in more mentorship so you can make more money, and then you can reinvest and live an amazing life, okay? So that's my spiel. Hope you enjoyed it. And then yeah, let me know what kind of videos you want to see in the future. You can just leave it in the comments down below. Like, you know, what type of things you're struggling with. Just general stuff. It can be like, you know, I don't know, like I don't want to necessarily go too much in detail, like what exact subject line I need to use for my email. Like I don't want to make those type of videos. Feel like you can just figure that out. Like honestly, it's not too difficult, but more just like broader things. Like yeah, just let me know what you would like to see, and then yeah, I see you on next week's video. Cheers.